Good day, everyone. I believe we are doing wonderfully well. Welcome to class 5 of our basic training, basic AI training. And I believe that at the end of this training section, you will be happy that you participated fully. Today we are going to be looking at video generation. In our class 1 we talk about the introduction. In our class 2 we talk about prompt engineering. In our class 3 we talk about advert text generation, content generation. In our class 4 we talk about image content generation. Then in our class 5 we'll be talking about video content generation. Then in our class 6 we're talking about music generation. Meanwhile, we will still return back to this video generation because video generation is deep and we have a lot of branches. So once we return back to this class and do some exciting work here. So starting with me, creating high impact videos. When you want to capture people's attention in the media space, what you need to do is to generate either high flyers. Afternoon, thank you. Either high flyers or high videos. So if you can do justice to these two things, you can really get attentions of people on the social media, right? So in this class I'm going to take us through how to generate very high quality videos, okay, using your AI tools. Man, network have been so bad here, and for the past 3 hours, 4 hours I've been trying to come up, and every attempt have not been successful. So let's just quickly go on. Traditionally, the way videos are being generated is time consuming and at the same time is so expensive, okay? For you to create multiple videos, it will take you a lot of time. Just imagine that you want to make a single video and you are taking days to generate the videos. So it's really time consuming, okay? I think there are noise in the background. Let me just lock this place. So it's time consuming. That is why there is need for you to scale up and begin to use AI to generate your videos. Like for me, I am not actually a video creator because I don't really have some time to put in that aspect. I only generate once in a while to use for my personal self, but I believe there is a good market in the video generation industry. If you put your attention into it, you can do well. I will take us through step by step how we get some video generated, because even me, I'm going to be venturing into that aspect fully in the coming months. Okay, now when we are talking about our content, the first thing I talk about is our prompt. Then when we are done with that, we start our generation. Number one thing you must have is a clear intent. What do you have in mind that you want to do? And you must have a specific content. What you want to do, you must have it must not be bogus. Like, you must have a specific stuff you want to handle, and you must try as much as possible for your prompt to give you a very high impact video. Okay, now let's go on. The 5-step AI production pipeline. The number one I have here, I said define your goal. One, you need to identify the purpose. If you are to write an advert, if what you want to produce an advert, if what you want to do is a story, if what you want to do is education, Okay. The number two is write your prompt. Like I have told us before, the whole essence of what we are doing is to be able to have a wonderful prompt that can give us what we want. So draft the structure just like the recipe of what you want to get at the end of the day. Okay. Then step 3, you generate, create first draft, and when you create your draft, then you use AI to give it voice. Okay, you give it voice, you give it motions. Okay, now when you are done with your generation, you review, and if there is issue with what you have, you refine it to your taste. Okay, you tweak the scene again and animate the image again to your desired video. Okay, then when you are done with that, you export the video. That is just the step you need to take. I have told us before how to write your prompts. You see, at every point of what we are doing, I continue to repeat the word prompt engineering, because that is the foundation of what you are doing. I have a prompt here: short advert video of a happy customer receiving fast internet data in Nigeria, bright lightning, close-up shots, energetic mode, soft background music, modern urban setting. This is a very short video. If time permits, I may drop something like that in our comic class, but we are not going to do this now because I have a video I was actually trying to this is an advert video. Okay, you can run advert for people using video creation. Very simple and straightforward. Okay, so let me quickly dive into what we going to do. Keep it short. Let your video always be short. Limit generate, like your particular scene, the scene you are writing, let it be between 5, 6, 7, 8 seconds thereabout. Okay, be specific. Don't use vague input. Okay, when you give AI vague input, it give out vague output. Detect what you want. Let AI understand this is what my boss is expecting, because you are actually the boss of your tools. Okay, that is how you get your maximum output. Okay, include texture, weather, and specific emotional state. Okay, use sensory details like texture, weather, and specific emotions. Okay, combine multiple shoots clips to build a narrative. You need to build it, like I said before, between 5 to 6, 7 seconds. Then when you are done, bring it together and build your narrative. So very quickly, let's jump into our class to see what we have in practical section. So this is my ChatGPT. Okay, this is my ChatGPT. In my ChatGPT, I came to ChatGPT here. Let me remove mine. I said, I need a war video story that can be acted and have a good message to understand within 1 minute. Why did I say this? Because me myself, I don't have idea about the video I want to work on. So if you have the idea, you write the idea, give to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to refine the idea for you. Then ChatGPT will refine it and give it back to you. But in my own case, I don't have the idea. So I just know that the video must be about war. So I say I need a video, I need a war video story that can be acted and have a good message to understand within 1 minute. Okay, so ChatGPT went ahead and started generating the idea for me. He told me the title will be The Last Bullet, duration will be 60 seconds, and scene 1 will be 0 to 10 seconds, battlefield noise. You see, he described what will happen. He went to scene 2, he described what will happen like that. Can you see it now? He generated like that. Now I came back, I said each scene duration should, because I have found out that ChatGPT was using 1 to 10 seconds, and I said each scene duration should not Sorry, I was supposed to write SCENE. Duration should not be, but even when your spelling is wrong, it will still give you what you want actually. So I said each duration should not be more than 5 seconds. Give me the prompt that we go with this script in Grok. Remember, I was trying to do this with Grok, but my Grok was suspended. I don't know what happened. Okay, maybe Elon Musk don't want me to be using his product again. So they give me the prompt that we go with this script in Grok, and the sound should be word sound to match each scene. So he said good, started writing it. Remember, I was writing 10 seconds before. Now he broke my scene into 5 seconds. So he gave me those same, like these are the same. So these are the sound and everything is there. So I copied it, I placed it back again. I think I told him something. I told it, I said, please, for Grok AI, give me 5-second video script of this war film called Last Bullet. Remember, the image you generated above this script should match with the photo we generated above. So he look at it, it generated everything again the way it should be. Can you see it now? Now, like I told you, you need to be dialoguing with AI. And I said dialogue, script, and motion. I was trying to tell the AI to give me dialogue and motion. See here, it types actor ready dialogue plus motion script for scene 1. Keep it simple. So it give me this one. You get it? Give me this one. It gave me this script. So when we're done, so when I was done with the script, I told ChatGPT, I said, the image, since you have generated this is the image prompt you have generated. So I now told ChatGPT to give me the image. ChatGPT generated this image for me. So it means that this image is going to be my scene 1, right? Then I continue. I went back. I copied the scene 2. I said it should give me the image for scene 2 again. It gave me this one. Can you see it now? So it gave me that one. Then I went back again. I gave. So now I was trying to develop the video itself, not the image again now. And I asked ChatGPT to give me the dialogue and motion of scene. Let me go back. Image prompt. This one was image prompt for scene 1. So when I was done doing this, I have this image, right? I have this image. Then I put this one. I asked for image for scene 2. ChatGPT gave me this image, right? And I asked to give me the dialogue motion duration for 5 to 10 seconds. It gave me. I said, enemy boat walking through dust. I asked for the dialogue and motion again. It gave me this one. So after asking those questions, remember that what I really need, what I was looking for in what I need to get from ChatGPT was the image and the script for the video. So I told ChatGPT to give me the script and the image. Once ChatGPT was done doing that, each I copied. Let's now go. I came to Google Gemini. So this is the image. I post the image on Google Gemini. Then I took my scene 1, 0 to 5 seconds. I post the scripts ChatGPT generated for me, I post it also. Look at the script here. I post it. Then I told Google Gemini to generate the video for me. So this is the script. So you can see, look at this is the video here. I think it's the video that is even playing on the background. Yeah, this is the video. You can see the video now. You can see the video, right? Yeah, it's the video that will be playing on the background. This is. So this is our sim 1. So do you see how clear it is? Just exactly like your normal war film. Everywhere. Even this, you can see injury on the soldier's body, right? So after that I went down. I post the second image to Google Gemini. I post the second image, then I gave the same 2 dialogue and motion prompt that ChatGPT wrote for me. I post it here. Can you see it now? Body language is here. Hand tension increase when it sees the last bullet, grip, blah blah. You can see everything in the script. Then look at it. It generated this for me. This is it. As in, his test running is the instrument you want to use. So this is what we got at the end of the second one. So let's go on. Let me pause it. So I send it. This is the third image that ChatGPT generated for us. Let's see the third image that ChatGPT generated for us. The third image. Yeah, this is the third image. Can you see it? So I took it back to Google Gemini. I post it. Then I post the prompt. And the dialogue motion and everything. I post it there. Then it loads. So when I was done with that, look at the answer I have. I'm doing this because the network is bad, and if I want to use this network, the condition of this present network now, if I want to use it to do this thing afresh, one, the video may take hours because the network will be going off and on. Then secondly, Google Gemini will not generate all this for me at once because I'm on a free mode. So I use some days to generate these things, because a day I think they were giving me like 2 videos, maybe 3 videos. I could generate 2, then maybe 3, then second day we generate again. So this is the third video we have from the movie. This is the enemy. That other one is ID for this guy, and this one is coming. This one, okay, this is the second guy. This is the enemy actually. So if you look at the script, let's check the script. We see said enemy soldier boots step into frame slowly. First step land, dust rises. Now that was the this thing, small stone shift and scatter. Now if we go to that video, you play it, you will see. Do you see it? When he moves his first step, dust rises, that stone shift and scatter. So that is what we do. You see that? So that is what we have there. Then I post the fourth one. This one is the guy. This one is not. This one is the real guy. That one is the enemy. This one is the real soldier. The other one is the enemy. Let's look for this one. So this is this one. So I post it. I post the dialogue and the motion prompt again for the real video. Remember that the picture we have generated it with a prompt in ChatGPT. Then we also tell ChatGPT to generate the video for us, the prompt for the video. So how do we now? Look at what I did. let me take you back to ChatGPT again and show you something. This is ChatGPT. Let me go to the top side. Now, this was this thing we have 1 to 5 seconds. So if I copy this first scene like this, I copy it. This is what I did. Copy it like this. Give it to ChatGPT. Now tell ChatGPT to put motion and a dialogue on the script. So what ChatGPT will give you from this place is what you are going to post as your prompt for the video. Okay, that's what I'm going to post for the prompt for the video. But when I wanted to draft the image, I copied it. I told it to draft image for me. So that is just all. Then let's go on. So what am I doing? Okay, so we have this. This is the guy now. After this is the script, then this is the guy. This is the fourth. I think this is the fourth one. This is the fourth one. So this one is, I think he have sighted the enemy, and you see his hand is shaking. Him is shaking. Like the other guy is more bold because that one is the one actually looking for this guy. So this is the guy. So you can see this guy now is firm in what he's doing. Now I gave ChatGPT this picture and this prompt. In case you need the prompt to practice in your own to practice, you can ask me for the prompt. I will send the prompt for you. I will gather them, and or if you did them, just let me know. I will put them in any of the social media, and you can pick them from there. So this is the guy. This is the fifth, and Google Gemini, I think they have a rule for free users not to be able to generate more than 3 videos on a particular display. So when you want to do your work, try as much as possible to do within a video of that is about 24 seconds thereabout. Can do something like that. Then if you still want to, you can tweak it. Like when I wanted to do this one, it told me that I can't do it again. It was like, you can't do this thing. I now deceived the AI and get it done. So I generated this video. Then this is the same guy. I now put the family. He's going to meet the family now, but we'll be discussing with the family, like playing with the family. But something happened when I was trying to generate the video. I now added one child. So when I added the one child, the one in between them is the one that the AI is going to pick, because I didn't indicate 2 children. I indicated 1. So it excluded this one at the back and picked this game at the center. So let's go on. So when I did it the first time, they say I can only generate video from up to 3 images. Try another prompt. Do you see that? So it did a lot of things, a lot of crazy things, but then Anand gave it this stuff again. It generated this for me, which is when this guy have visited the family. Now if you go to this thing, no, this guy was rough in this place, and was rough in the Zodiac this thing, but the clothes they put on, you can see it's the same clothes and everything looks the same, but here it now looks sharper because yes. So this is the 5th this is the 5th video. But before we go, I will just try one more so that we can also follow up. Let me try one more. I think network is really giving issues here. I don't know, network is really giving issues here. The network is so bad, so bad. Oh my god, the network is so bad. So this is the fourth. Oh my god, I wanted this thing to play out. You can even generate a video happy home videos like this and use them to build your content. Oh my god, let me just go back. I want to do something. Let me come here. Then this I'm going to generate for, I will go to our content. Okay, I will come here. I will copy for 7. This place now is where I copy from here. I will give it back to ChatGPT. I need the image. I will paste what I have and generate. So let's wait for the image to be generated. So can you see this? This is the video we generated for the system. Like, I mean, you can generate something like this and use it for your social media. I believe this is so clear and clean, right? Let's go back to ChatGPT and see what is going on. So, okay, this is the other family, the other guy's family. This is the other guy's family. Okay, this is the other guy's family. So what we are going to do is to download. This.
You are so beautiful. Who's my happy little sunshine?
No.
You are so beautiful. Who's my happy little sunshine? You are so beautiful. Who's my happy little sunshine?
Oh my god, this thing don't want to download.
You are so beautiful.
Okay, let me download it from there. You see, when you are done, you download it. I have it. Today is April 7th, so I didn't save it with name, so I will get it as April 7th from them. Then when I'm done with that download, I will come back again. I will remove it. I will go back again. Remember where we copied that from? Now we now go to the main dialogue. Here I will copy 7 because we must match everything with it to play out. We must match everything. Fresh enemy, flash enemy family smiling. Remember the 6 was the other guy's family smiling, right? Now it's enemy's family smiling. So I will copy it again. I will now tell ChatGPT to do this for me. I will place it. I will just I will remove. I will just tell it. Let me see. Between. Sorry. Between. 6 to 7 seconds.
You are so beautiful. Who's my happy little sunshine? You are so beautiful.
So what are we doing now?
Who's my happy little sunshine? You are
between
so
6 seconds
Who's
to
my
7
happy
seconds.
little sunshine?
Then I want to
You
quickly
are
go
so
to
beautiful.
where did I have my
Who's
dialogue
my
guide?
happy little sunshine?
Okay,
You are
I
so
copy
beautiful.
dialogue and
Who's
emotion.
my happy little
Sorry, dialogue and motion.
sunshine?
I will paste
You
it
are
here.
so beautiful. Who's my happy little sunshine?
Then I will paste it.
You are so beautiful.
Then I will send it. So what we are going to get from here is the scripts for the video for the enemy's family, right? So let's go. I know that they will tell us that we can't generate again, but we look for a way around it. So that's okay. Look at it. It said duration 6 to 7. So let's just go down. Let us go down. Close up gently. Although I will just copy this thing like this, but this is not the way I created it for other families home. But I will just copy it like this. Then I will go to my Google Gemini. I will put it here. I will paste it here. I will go back to ChatGPT again. I will go down. I will show you for the other family, natural closeness. Okay. I will copy this again. I will go to Google Gemini. We have, that is a mistake from me. I was not supposed to send it. Let me check if I can. Let me check. This is one of the problem with this my mode. I want to edit it, but it's already generating. So what will happen? Just let me go back to the way I generated the other one. I just okay. Or let me just copy everything. Sound design, profile notes, if you want to see. Okay, so you can just copy it from here. You can just copy from here. Let's just see what data we copy. Let's see what happened. There this short focus on an enemy protein. Let's see what happened. Okay, cinematic shots. Okay. Oh, sorry, we didn't even send the image. That is the problem. We didn't send the image. Let me send the image. I'll check if we can use it. The image chat. Today is 7th, right? So we pick this. I think that should be the image. We send it. Oh my god, the image did not. Let me try it again. Chat GPT. I think it should be this. Okay, this is it. Let's say use the prompt above to produce video with this image, so I send it. It's not going on. Please make sure you practice from your own end. Oh, we can't send. What is wrong? If it's not going, we just continue. So that is how actually I created this video. Now when I was done creating the video, I came to CapCut. When you open CapCut, if you have been using it before, if you have not been using it, just in the kit, I will look for a way to send you a video that you can use to just look for CapCut app and download. Then I started importing last bullets. I started importing my videos to this place. So I've imported this in one. So if it is phone, you can just import it, we enter your working play, but here it will enter, if it is phone, you will add them from setting, click on setting and add them, then you will draw them to your workflow. So now I draw the same too. This is it. Let me turn this to the aspect ratio. Let me turn it to this. Then full turn on preview. So you add all of them together to make a full video. So I said last bullet, I pick my 3, I upload it again, comes here, then from here I drag it into my workflow. You see there. So what I'm trying to do is to build it to become so that all this same will make up one video. So I click import again. I had last bullet, I add 4, I draw it inside, I pick it again, I put it here. If you actually know how to use CapCut, you can model this video very well from here. But I will just add them because the video is already too long. I will just add them up. So I've added the 5th one. Let me just add all of them, then I draw the remaining 2 inside. Then 6th, last bullet, the 6th one, then I add it. Okay, that is it. Then what I will do now is to draw this 5th seam here, then draw it inside, then I will now draw the 6th one inside. Then let me check if what I was doing in ChatGPT if I can send it. Why is it I can't send? Let me remove the content. I check if I can send. Let's look at it. I can't send. Maybe network is the okay. Like if I place this thing here, that is just the way you generate it. We already have the let me try uploading it again if that is the issue. ChatGPT, upload it again. Let me delete this one. Let's wait for that one to load. Oh, our network is not, we are not online. Oh my god, this network these days, we are online but the thing is not connecting. No wonder the thing was not even uploading. The network is so bad. So let's see if it will connect. I just want to I want us to demonstrate to at least one here. That is why I'm just trying to do this again. Okay, let me delete it again and upload it. Click on this plus, go to upload file, then your phone will open or your system, then you click on the image. I know the name is this one, and we downloaded it now, which is that time I upload it. Let's see. see, it's not ready to process this thing. So let me still go back to what we are doing. Come here. If you know how to tweak CapCut very well, you can tweak it here. Then let me just play this one here. Like I said before, we are going to do other videos on this, but because of the timing, I don't want it to be too long. We just stop here. Can you see the video? Now, if we want to present this video at this bridge, we are going to be adding transitions. We are going to be adding transitions at this bridge, but that is not what we are going to do for this class, because we are just only trying to generate a video in this class. So you can see how the video is. Yeah, this is the video now. We have it here, and we can see it here now. If you want to zoom it out or zoom it in, you can do it here. If you want to zoom it out, zoom it, you can do it here. Okay, so you can zoom it out or zoom it in from here. I think at this point we have been able to do some stuff on this on generation of image into videos, but like I said, if it's about generating videos, it's going to take us some time, so I will not want to rush it, but practice this and send me your feedback. For some of you, Grok is very easy to use, but they have blocked me on Grok. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. So if you have Grok, you can also use Grok in case you cannot use Google Gemini. And in case you want to use Google Gemini, I will also show you how because you can't generate anything on your free mode actually, even though they will still be limiting you, but they will ask you to get something that look like Pro 1 month free. If you have a card and you are having issue generating, just let me know. I will put you through on how to do that, so that you can also start generating your image. So let's quickly do a wrap up on this work. All right, so like I said before, keep it short, be specific, use sensory details, then match it up together. Okay, now video creation is driven by prompts. You must have a good prompt. If you are not sound in terms of prompt engineering, all your work will be failing. That is why from the beginning I took my time to teach you prompt engineering. Make sure that your prompts are always specific. Okay, the output matches the exact precision of your input. Whatsoever you get as an output was not a luck, it was as a result of what you did in your input. The first thing you must do is to define your goal. Number 2 thing is to write your prompt. Number 3 is to generate your image. Number 4, review and refine your image. Number 5, export your image. The key benefit is that using AI to generate your image is fast creation. Instead of using days, month, week to gather resources and start shooting, you can create it very fast. You don't need filming, don't need people to come and gather for you to. It's cost effective and is scalable. Keep video short, 5 to 10 seconds is okay. Be specific, use sensory details, combine clip for storytelling, and your video will be awesome. Thank you very much for being around today. God bless you. Till we meet again, I remain your AI specialist. In case you have a business or people that have business that want automations, that want to build workflow, you can call on me. I can build lead generation for them that can help them to run their business smoothly. The agent will help them to attend to their customers, help them to send automatic emails, help them to have discussion with customers, and the one they cannot do by themselves, they will book a meeting with their boss to have a meeting with the customer. I can do all that. And for content creators who want to have automatic content in their page, I'm available. I can design an engine for you that can help you to constantly post content, or you can actually hire us to also help you to manage your page. Thereby we use our machine to be posting to your page every day. We will design the image, we will design the content and post. If you want it once a day, twice a day, 5 a day, times a day, 10 times a day, 24 hours, we are ready to post for you. Even though you are sleeping, your content will be on your page. Thank you very much for being with us. Please don't forget, even though we have network issues, I took my time to make sure that this thing is still out. When we are done with video creation, we go into music creation. We are done with text content. We are done with image creation. We will still be doing those things as we advance, but I just want to show us niche that we can actually work on. So when we are, I think I will still do one video on video creation, then we do music, or after this be testing your hand on this, then we still do music and some other stuff. Then we now come back and work in perfect, make sure we perfect those things. Okay, thank you, God bless.